I have a client on retainer paying me $2,000 bi-weekly, and here's a proof. This isn't a subtle flex. I'm just here to show you that it is possible to earn 6 digits with just one client as a freelancer. However, I'd also want to emphasize that the amount of money that clients are willing to pay is based on the results that you're going to bring to the table. The bigger the problem you're solving sa kanilang negosyo, the bigger the money that you're bringing to their business, the bigger they're willing to pay. The heads up, a lot of virtual assistants in the US are earning an average of about $30 to $45, even $50 an hour. So, yung ganitong rate is parang kumbaga good deal na sa kanila, especially if they're getting the same results remotely. Now, ano nga ba yung mga para sa akin, yung mga services na nakikita ko based sa trajectory ng freelancing over the past couple of years na kayang mag-earn ito kalaki. Number 1 na doon yung web dev, web development and design, digital marketing, programming at saka software development. I also have one of my video editors, yung package niya is at $2,500 a month. Medyo marami-rami yung deliverables and mabigat yung work. But video editing is also one of the top niche na malaki yung kinikita sa team ko. Social media management, if you're already doing marketing including brand strat and all, it's earning about $1,500 a month. Definitely PPC, media buying. They're willing to pay $15 an hour, up to $25 an hour. And then pinakang malakas para sa akin is if you know how to do technical writing, if you're able to do technical writing kasi, and if you're able to do project management, so multiple problems na yung sinusolve mo sa business, yun, malaki din yung bayad. Anyway, I hope that this provides a little more clarity dun sa mga papasok pa lang na posible naman na isang client lang na hindi ka stress na stress. But at the same time, kailangan yung utak mo ay stretchable. Hindi ito pwede sa mahina ang loob at balat sibuyas. Hindi pwede ang freelancing na napaka number 1 napansin ko. Hindi ito pwede sa tamad magbasa. Hindi ito pwede sa tao na hindi willing na mag-expand ng knowledge nila beyond their comfort zone. Sana natap ko lahat. In case na may mamiss ako guys, i-comment nyo na lang dyan please. Kasi lately, every first week of the month talaga, hindi ako makahataw ng pagka-create ng contents. But let me know sa comment section. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow firm, or work from home chismis. Bye! Oh wait, pahabol. Also, yung magsasabi na nag-earn ka nga ng 6 digits pero hindi ka natutulog. Bali, ang total sleep hours ko ngayon ay 14 hours and I'm so proud. Yun ang tunay na flex.